morning, everyone. My name is Christian Batolan, Kenyan student of Christmas Hills Montessori College, taking up education degree. I am here in front of you to give some tips on how to use the library properly. As you all know, that library is one of the most important facilities that should our school acquire. Through this, we can make our assignments, help us in meeting our projects, and other activities given to by our teachers. And for some information, we have the services. The Arts in Library System serves the students, faculty, members, and other research groups within the community by providing fast delivery of information. The Arts in Library adopts the open stack system. The strippers and putting the books on the shelves, making them fully accessible to all researchers. We have also the general rules and regulations that we followed when we are in the library. The first thing is the silence must be observed at all times. Then, courtesy must be observed at all times, requesting for library materials from the library personnel and in dealing and others inside the library. Then, the library is mainly for research, study, and reading, eating, sleeping, laughing, and talking are strictly prohibited. Then, the fourth is handle books and other library materials with care. Then, the fifth is chairs must not transferred from one place to another. Then, the use of cell phone and strictly prohibited. Turn on.
Replay.
Then the eighth is the stealing, mutilating books, vandalism, and tearing of pages are strictly prohibited. Then the next one is we have the rules in borrowing books. A student who wants to borrow a book, either photocopying, classroom, or overnight use, should borrow personally at the library. Then we have also the library services that we offer. Then the first one is the borrowing and returning of books. Then interlibrary research, internet service, then library exhibits, library instructions and orientation, then compiling bibliographies, and the last one is the reference service. What you have seen in this side, that we have a computer. It is mainly for research, then making our assignments and projects. Then we have also books are available in the library. Then our book is classified into the general references, Filipiniana, then the browsing and the periodicals, and the high school and elementary. Then we have also visual materials, which involves the DVDs and CDs. Then, as a 24 learner, we must take care of our library because it can help our study.